Welcome back. In the next few videos, we're going to focus on creating this application with user auth. And to start, we need to set up the actual application structure. We need to install a few packages, including these up here that I talked about in the last video. And then we're going to add in 2 basic routes. So we're not actually going to cover any authentication just yet. We're just going to lay the groundwork so that we can do that in the next video. So I made a new directory called Authentication, and I'll make a new directory inside of that called auth demo. And cd into auth demo, and then we'll run npm init, and we'll just speed through this. Description, leave blank. I like to change that to app.js. Author. Yes, that's okay. Okay, then let's make our app.js. Now we need to install our packages. So we have quite a few. We need to install Express, Mongoose, Passport, Body Parser, Passport Local. We also need Passport Local Mongoose and Express Session. Quite a few. I'm going to do them in a few different lines. Even though it's nice to do it all in one line, I think it will be hard to watch on the video in case it gets cut off over here. So I'll start by doing npm install Express and Mongoose -- save. And then next we'll do Passport and then Passport Local. Okay, so now we'll do npm install passport space passport - local -- save, and that will give us 2 more. Next we're going to do npm install passport local mongoose -- save. Now we'll do body parser, so npm install body parser, and we'll also do express session -- save. And that should be everything that we need. So let's take a look at the package.json. And we have express, express session, mongoose, passport, passport local mongoose, and body parser. Quite a few packages there. All right, so now let's head to the app.js and close that down. C9 app.js. And while we're in the terminal, let's make our views directory. Just right there. There we go. And let's also make a models directory. And we're only going to have one model, which will be user, and we'll get to that in the next video. So inside app.js, we'll start with our basic Express app. So var express equals require express, and then we'll do a var app equals express, just like that. And then we'll do some of our other configuration. So app.set view engine to be EJS, and that is a package we actually forgot to install, so we can do that now. npm install EJS -- save. And then while that's going, we'll add our first route, and we're just going to add the root route to start. So app.get /, and we'll just render a template that we call home. So res.render home. Now we need to make the home template. So we have our views directory right here. Now we need to do touch views / home.ejs, and then we'll open that file up, and we'll add in a simple h1 that says this is the home page, just like that. And then the very last and most important thing is to actually start the server, to add the app.listen. And remember, it's process.env.port, process.env.ip, callback function that will run, and we'll just do console.log server started. There we go. Let's give it a shot and see if we're missing anything important. So let's clear this out, and we run node app.js. All right, it says server started. Now let's visit the URL. So the root path here, just /, and we should get this is the home page, and we do. Great. Now let's set up the secret route, which will just be another app.get / secret. And for now, we're just going to render a template. And that template will just say this is the secret page, and we can add an embarrassing photo on there if you want. So secret, just like that. And now we need to create that template. So touch views/secret.ejs, and then we'll open that up. And we'll add an H1. This is the secret page. And we can add a paragraph as well. You found me. And then I'll add an image tag here with that horribly embarrassing photo of me. Feel free to put whatever you want, as long as it's also horribly embarrassing and should be in the secret file. Okay, let's save. And for now, we'll restart the server, and we should be able to see that secret page because we don't have any authentication. /secret, and yes, it works because we don't have our auth yet. Great, so that's pretty much all I wanted to get done in this video. One other thing we can do in the app.js is just start to add our mongoose code. So we'll do a var mongoose equals require mongoose, and then we'll just connect to a database with our mongoose.connect. And that needs to be mongodb : / localhost / and then whatever we want this to be called, I'll just call it auth demo app, just like that. Okay, and that's all the setup that we'll do in this video. We've now paved the way so that in the next video, we can start creating the user model and importing all of those packages that we installed.